So there are some myths that are ruining the greatness of virtual events. So let's crush those myths and eliminate them from your mind so you can get started in your next virtual summit this 2021.
Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. My name is Andrea, and I will be your host. In this channel, you will learn how to create momentum in your business by designing virtual events with automated communication. You will also find tutorials on digital marketing strategies and my favorite tools so that you can make a bigger impact in this world. Let's get started.
Okay, so there's this rumor and this myth that you need to be an established business owner online so you can do a virtual summit or do a virtual event. Nah, that's a lie. You do not need to. Actually, I believe, and I'm not the only one, experts also believe that creating a virtual summit is actually the best marketing strategy that you can do if you are just starting out. If you also are not just starting out, if you have more clout and you have an audience, it's a great way to create an experience that helps you bond with your community. So virtual summits actually help you establish you as an expert online. It gives you authority. If you want to know the 7 ways that your business will benefit from a virtual summit, go here. I'm going to link the video I just posted that gives you the list. So, the myth about you being established, no, lie. You can start with a virtual summit with experts that are in your industry and talk about the topic that you have a solution to as well, and network with very smart people that can teach you. And that sets you as an authority and it helps you grow. So actually, you don't need to be established. And if you are established business owner, it actually also helps you because it creates an experience for your community that's different from what you're already giving them. And events change lives. So I'm not gonna pretend that virtual summits and virtual events are not important for your marketing strategy. Like, they have to be somewhere there. A mastermind, a workshop, a 3-day intensive, whatever it is, however you want to call it, you got to include it because this creates relationships with your community. And the more time you spend with them, the more you get to know them and the more they get to know you, and you can create business and long last friendships. So it's a win-win. Myth number 2 that we're going to debunk today is that virtual summits only work for specific niches. No, they don't. They work for any niche, from the big generic niches to the tiny small niches. Now, I would think that you want to fish in a bigger pond. So all that audience, right, that the speaker has will be seeing your face when you host your virtual summit. So it can work for big niches and small niches. Myth number 3, this is a big lie. And we believe it because we think we're small when we're growing. I'm not saying I'm this huge influencer. I'm not there yet either, right? I'm growing. This is my journey. I have found that virtual events and virtual summits are the ones that give me the most revenue, the most authority, the most exposure. So I really love them. And I actually have a degree in event planning. So for me, events are dear and near to my heart. And I thought that because I was just starting, that I wouldn't get good speakers and like huge audiences that I could get shared in the exposure, right? And I was wrong. I proved myself wrong by creating a summit called Chatbots for Coaches, and I launched it in May 2020, and I launched also my signature program. I sold from my signature program, and I sold replays from the virtual summit. So I did experience it myself. I had already experienced it behind the scenes, helping my clients do it for them, for their brands, but never for me. And I tested it and it works. Like, it works. So even if you are just starting, you're growing, or you're mid, or you think you are like very established, whatever situation you're in on your audience online, it's okay. You can host a virtual summit, and speakers and influencers are going to say yes. Look, sometimes it's not that they're gonna say yes because of you. Maybe they got you got some speakers that another speaker referred, because this speaker got super excited about your event and he started referring you a lot of people, and he started connecting you, or she started connecting you with a lot of other people. That happened to me. One coach got super excited about the topic and he started promoting it to his other friends and told them to participate. Like, yeah, hello. Like, I was like, whoa, that is amazing. And I got some speakers to help me book other speakers. That's the trick. So yeah, influencers, speakers, leaders online, marketers, business owners, companies. If you want people from a company, from a Fortune 500 to speak, like TED Talks, like there's so many types of events, right? And so many types of speakers that you can get, and they will agree. It doesn't matter how small your list is, they will agree. So myth number 4 is a myth inside the coaching and infopreneur business. So if you have a course and a program, people think that a virtual summit is instead of the course or the program, because the program actually sells better for you, and you think that just launching the program is better for you. But what happens is that virtual summits can actually help you sell your program without you having to be doing all the launching yourself, just about you. And you can leverage the speakers, and if you make them affiliates and make them earn some cash, they're gonna promote it more. So if you have an upsell and it's beneficial for your business to be aligned with people that are changing lives and that are creating the impact that you want to create, well, the course that you want to do can be sold through the summit, and it will sell with way more ease. Yeah, trust me, it happened. I experienced it. I did it. I didn't sell 3,000 tickets. I actually just sold 3 spots. But those 3 entrepreneurs, those 3 coaches now know how to use chatbots without breaking the policies, and they know how to use it for their benefit and automate those things that they were doing manually, which was answering messages. I've experienced it. So this myth is like, it's not gonna be entirely true, because I mean, maybe you're an awesome coach. I'm sorry, maybe you are awesome at launching your course and selling hundreds of millions of dollars with it, and you want to explore virtual summits. Well, virtual summits can actually give you a boost on the sales of any of your programs. So it's actually a better marketing strategy than just doing a challenge or a 3 video part series or a lead magnet or a masterclass or a webinar. If you create an event, a virtual summit or a virtual live event, what happens is that you create an experience, people get to know you, like you, and trust you, so they want to buy your course and your program. Way better quality leads, way quality people in your life. And you are quality. If you're watching this, oh, you're quality, because I know that people who are seeking my knowledge are proactive, are intelligent, are outgoing. They have a message. Some of them are introverts. I'm an ambivert, so both sides is fine. But you know, like, I know my people, and I know that you want to make a bigger impact. You want to spread your message, and virtual summits can actually help you boost the sales of your program. So that myth is like yes and no, because it's beneficial to launch a virtual summit. It's beneficial to launch a course, but if you put them together, it's like on steroids. So those are the 4 myths that are the worst myths that are not true for virtual summits. And trust me when I tell you this, virtual summits are extremely beneficial for your business. If you don't believe me, I made a video here, connect here, where I'm gonna link the training to the 7 ways on how virtual summits are beneficial for your coaching business, because they are. Okay? No, I want you to go and do an event and you promote your message and spread it to the world, because that what you seek is seeking you, and they need you. And that's the bottom line. That's the bottom line. You have to spread the message, and a virtual summit is just the answer. So if you want to know more about how to create more virtual summits, how to make them better, what is the framework, how is it beneficial, etc., subscribe to my channel with the bell, and go to the videos and go check out those videos that I just mentioned. They're gonna help you get started. Now, if you want more help, you can slide in my DMs. You can go to Instagram and follow me at Irresistible Latina. And you can also find me on Facebook. You could just search for my name, Anna, 2 N's, Andrea. My 2 first names, first name and middle name. So I will see you in the next episode. And remember that you can create an irresistible experience for your leads, so that they trust you, like you, and buy from you. So I'll see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye bye.